Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video I'll be talking about as a skincare, a serum. But before then, if you are new to my channel, you see my face for the first time, welcome. And to my old subscribers, my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. All right guys, before then, let me just briefly talk about this serum. It's about the Estée Lauder #1 serum. Like it said, it's very hyped product. It's for all skin type, it's for all ages, and that is one interesting part that you want to go ahead and talk about. And guys, if you want to see such video, if you like this tip, if you want to hear more about this video, you then keep watching. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you've seen my face for the first time, do so right away, and that's what turning on that notification button so you do not miss any upload of such, that whenever I do upload, you'd be the first to know. Without further talk, let's just go ahead and see what we have for today. All right, like I just had a brief talk about this serum. This is the Estée Lauder #1 serum. It's for dry skin. It's for when maybe you have a dull skin, and maybe you have that kind of fine lines, maybe you have to even out skin tones, maybe you have hyperpigmentation, or so on and so forth. And let me just describe a little that few years ago I had a very massive breakout of my skin, and that results to a lot of hyperpigmentation. It results to kind of a dry, flaky skin. It results to a more like, so will I say, uneven skin, let me put it like that. So I went for a try on this product because I heard a lot about it. I did give it a try, and I went to Estée Lauder, and actually the lady gave me a very sample to try, because you want to try a product first to know if it's going to work for you or if it's not going to work for you. So that's just one good tip of testing out a product first before you just invest your money on it. And I did try it for a few days, but the good thing is, the basic thing is, I am the kind of a person that gives patience. I give time to try things. I don't just give up in a day or two to say, oh no, it doesn't work. You need to try again. Give it a try. When you try the first time, it doesn't work to your expectation, give it a time to try the second time before you will conclude if it's for you or if it's not for you. That is what I do for all products or things that I use. I am so patient when it comes to skincare trying out, because you don't want to be trying this and trying this and trying this. Sometimes some product needs to get used to your skin before it works. Even if you are allergic, that's another case. When you are allergic to that product, you might want to try it the second time to just make it look as if your skin will get used to it. That's another good tip on any product as well. All right guys, so I decided, I have been using this product for years now, and this product has helped my skin from stage 1 to stage 2. No, is it stage 2, or I don't know what stage to put it, but this product has actually enhanced, good, that's the right word to use, has actually enhanced my facials, has actually enhanced everything that has to do with my face. These, because I get a lot of compliments, people ask me, oh, what do you use? I always recommend that my serum is what has changed this game, and that's actually true. This serum has actually changed everything that I applied after then. This serum, like the sales guest said, I can use it morning and night. Initially, I did start using that morning and night, but because of the price, which we are going to talk in a few minutes, because of the price, I decided to come back to what is written. It's written night repair. So I went back to just using it at night, and when you wake up in the next morning, you find your skin is so fresh, so renewed. It's like all the pores or everything is so tightened. You feel so fresh. Okay, let me just quickly talk about the advantage of this the serum. When you applying the serum, it's very easy to apply to your face. It's absorbed into your skin so easy. In less than 50 seconds, it's already in, it already dries out. And when it dries out, it's not sticky, it's just smooth into your skin and dissolve into your skin. When you also let me just quickly open it, guys. This is how this serum is. You just take and apply directly into your skin. That is another good tip, that you don't have to first put it in your hand and then start massaging. You just help with this sucked out and just put it in your skin and then massage in. It is very good. And as well for the smell is very accommodating to any person. It doesn't really matter, maybe you are not the fragrance type, it doesn't have any harsh or strong fragrance. It's very accommodating. I mean, to myself, I don't think there's any problem with the smell at all. This cream is very soft, it's very like how do I put this, it's so mild, and dissolving into your skin. You just feel it's kind of a serum anyway. A serum has different kinds of the way it's absorbed into, or to you feel how you feel it. But this is so kind of, what I say, I don't know, guys, if you have this kind of ever have the feeling of a snail. No, a snail is more kind of sticky. Okay, no, not snail. That's very far from it. I don't know what to use now, guys, but I don't know what to use. But anyway, this, oh my God, is it? Oh, is it dripping out? Oh no, I have to tighten it well. Okay, guys, that is for that. And let's just talk quickly about the cons. That the only cons I see about this serum is pricey. It's very, very, very pricey. This is the 75 ml. I think it's about 100 and something that I got it. It's expensive. They have the 30, about the 30 ml, the 50, the 75 as well. There's also 100. It's very, very pricey. Maybe I'll just list all the price from the 30 down in the description box below, so maybe you're interested to see it. But that's just the cons about it. But the pros is it works what it claims. I mean, what it said it does work. It does show, you have the evidence, you see that it actually works. It's not just the price this time, but it works 100%. I am sure it works because I have used it for years and I'm still using it, like still using it. That's how good this product is. I do what you want to actually just check out. I do sniff for sales, that when they are doing sales, I just quickly take advantage of it, because I also just restocked during the Valentine period. They were doing sales as well. I just quickly get my hands on them to save coins. Who don't want to save coins? Who don't want to save her money? Who don't want to save her cash? So that's the way I as well save my money in this item, because this product, the serum, is a very good one. So you might want to try it out. But first, before, like I said, just go to the counter and get a tester to try it for days. That will last you for days to see if you like it or if you don't like it. All right, guys, that's basically all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please write down in the comment section if you ever use the serum, or if you have such kind of a skin, maybe a dry or dull skin. I will advise you just try it out. Like I said, use a tester to try it out for days to see if it worth investing on or not. Okay, guys, maybe like I said, I will link down all the prices. I mean, the prices down in the description box below. Be sure to try it out. And guys, that is basically all for this video. I see you again in my next video. Bye.